While our heart beats for metal, we also care deeply about software.
Our open architecture is a strong enabler for a true end-to-end software ecosystem that protects OEM IP and allows for jobs to be repeated globally, all while allowing detailed quality assurance. On data preparation, we collaborate with strong partners, but also release our own data preparation software called SLM.Prep. A well-engineered machine, including strong software offering, makes this the right machine for everyone who wants to enter true Metal AM series production. And we have many customers using the system daily for production. And of course, it is our joint interest to keep it that way. This is why we introduced SLM.Support, a powerful package of various service level agreements tailored to our customers' needs. And more than just a maintenance contract. It comes in 4 different levels. Essential, to keep your system running. Elite, focusing on your production. Total, protecting your investment. And Ultimate, offering customized solutions for your operation. Ultimate also comes with a commitment of 85% technical availability, which we currently offer in the European Union, Switzerland, Norway, United States, and Canada. Lastly, our after-sales team keeps you and your machine up and running with trainings, consulting, powders and parameters, production support, and, very important, upgrades. While this industry is still new and we learn a lot day after day, we want to make sure we bring those learnings also to machines already in the field.
Would you like to learn more about us, our products, or specifically want to start your journey with the SLM 500? Then visit us at nikonslmsolutions.com or get in touch with your regional sales manager. Our highly skilled team of application engineers supports you by analyzing your part and performing an accurate business case analysis, including total cost of ownership prediction. Because at Nikon SLM, we see our customers as partners, and it is our mission to empower yours.